Okay, Temu, with the matching nails and toenail sets. Okay, period. Nails and toes done. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. Now I know my video schedule has been a little off this past week, but I promise I'm gonna jump back into my routine and my schedule like I never left. But in today's video, I got a Temu haul in. And we also gonna get into a matching press-on nail and toenail set from Temu, because baby, look at the nails. Look at the nails, look at the toes, hold on. I know, they're giving, right? They are giving. I just got my nails and my toes done at the nail salon. So let's get into this haul and this tutorial. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, let's just get into it. So let's jump into this Temu haul. Okay, so first up we have a 5-in-1 builder gel kit. Now if you're not familiar with what builder gel is, this one is a multi-use builder gel. So you can use builder gel to add an extra layer of thickness to your press-on nails and kind of build them up and make them thicker and stronger. You can also use it to apply rhinestones and nail art. You can also use it to create an actual nail with just using the builder gel and those gold nail forms that I just showed you guys. It comes with a tweezer to hold the nail forms in place while you create a nail. You can also use it to repair your natural nails. If you break one, you can just build it back up with using the builder gel. I love that it comes with two. So you have one that's a nude pink color and then you have a clear one. It does come with an instructions manual as well for beginners. And of course, y'all know I got y'all with a tutorial. So be looking out for that video coming soon. Now let's get into these nails. So when I saw these nails, the first person that came to my mind was Miss Tabitha Brown. Because y'all know how she loves her almond shaped nails with all those beautiful colors and designs on them. And I was like, oh, I want some nails like Tabitha Brown. And if you don't know who Tabitha Brown is, just Google her. She is phenomenal. But look how beautiful and vibrant these colors are. I normally do not do almond shaped nails. Y'all know I'm a long nail girly, but I like to switch it up from time to time. And these were just so cute and I love how vibrant and beautiful the colors are. So now let's get into these matching press-on nail and toenail sets. Now, I'm definitely thinking out the box with this set because I do not like yellow toenails. It's just something about yellow toenails that make your toes look funky. Like, I don't know. I just never really got into yellow toenails, although I do love the color yellow. And these nails are so cute. I love how they put the black and white tips with the yellow line to match the toenails. The colors caught my eye and then I was like, why the toenails gotta be yellow? I wish they were black and white tips with a little yellow like the nails, but I'm gonna give them a shot and see how they look on my toes. I love how we are bringing back the old school nail designs because these nails are giving late 90s, early 2000s, and I am so here for that. These nails are giving freak neck. They're giving 1990s, 2000s baddie, and I am so here for that. This set is definitely more my speed because I love me a long to extra long nail, and square is my favorite nail shape. So yes, let's get into these. The colors are popping. I love that like peachy color with the pink tips and the white flower with the little dot accents. Like, this design is taking me all the way back to the 2000s when I was a teenager and I got my first nail set. I am 38 years old, so if you are in my age group, then you know. If you know, you know. And look at the toenails. I love the length of these toenails. Sometimes press-on toenails can be too short. I like my big toe to be just a little bit longer than what the standard press-on toenail length is, but this length is perfect. I love this design. I love that Temu has these sets. They are so convenient because you don't even have to go match up some nails with some toenails. They already have them matched up for you. It's the convenience of having it already paired up and matched for me. It's also the price, because for $3 to $4 you got a whole matching press-on nail and toenail set that looks just like you went to the nail shop and got your nails and your toes done. I don't think y'all understand where I'm coming from. Drop a comment and let me know if you understand, because I am so pumped and excited that these matching sets are a thing. And I love that they come in different nail lengths for your fingers, because not everybody wears long nails and not everybody wears short nails. So they have a variety of different sets and different lengths and designs, and this is definitely a game changer. Now this lavender set is so cute, and I love the design on the nails that came with them. The lavender French tip, and it has like one rhinestone towards the cuticle on some of the nails, and then some of the other nails have that cute purple line design. So this set is just so cute, and it's a short nail set. So I'm trying out some different lengths for you guys so you guys can see what Temu has to offer. If you are not familiar with Temu, make sure you click the link in the description of this video and download the Temu app and use my referral code FAVE23582 to get a $100 coupon bundle and save on your order. Everything from this video will be linked in the description, so if you like what you see, just go ahead and click those links and get you some, girl. Now let's get into the tutorial. So this nail and toenail set is also from Temu. I got this set in my last Temu haul. I did do a video. If you guys missed my last Temu haul video, go check that haul out, because I got some really cute stuff in that haul video as well, and the items from that haul are linked in the description of that video as well. So let's get into these toes. So basically, I apply my toenails the same way I apply my press-on nails. What I did was I took a nail file and I roughened up the surface of my toenail. I then sprayed it down with some alcohol and acetone mixture to further dehydrate the nail and make sure all the oils are gone from the nail bed. And I am going to be using that brush on nail glue to apply them, which is one of my favorite nail glues. It will also be linked in the description. And what I'm doing right now is just sizing the toenail to make sure that it fits my big toe, which I was hoping that it did, because only 2 of the toenails come with that 3D flower nail art on them, and I really want that on my big toe to match the nails. So I'm glad that the ones with the 3D nail art fit my big toe. I do have a wide toenail bed. So sometimes press-on toenails don't be working for me, but these are wide toe friendly. And as y'all can see, I applied a nice bubble of glue. I then lined the press-on toenail up with the cuticle of my big toe, and I slowly pressed down until I got to the tip of my toe. And then now I am pressing and holding against my side walls of my toes as well to make sure I have full coverage over my natural toe. And that's how the toenail looks, and that is how simple it is to apply these toenails. I did have a little glue spillage over, and I'm just using the nail file to clean up that excess nail glue and just shape the tip of my toenail a little bit, and it's looking real good. And normally I would use the nail file that comes with the nails, but my toenails need that heavy duty nail file like like I'm using right now. So yeah, I got that nail file that I'm using in this video from Dollar Tree, and it works really good. Now you have the option to use a nail dehydrator, but like I said, I just used some acetone and alcohol mixed 50-50, equal amounts of each in a spray bottle, and boom, you got some nail dehydrator. Now normally I'll be having issues with my second toe. My second toe is wider than I guess the normal average toenail, so I'll be having to put an actual fingernail onto my toenail and then cut it down to fit my toe, because I don't know what's up with my second toe, but if you know, you know. You just gotta check out some of my previous videos where I'm doing my toes, and you'll see the issues that I be having. But I did not have that with this set, and this is how my toes turned out, and they look so good. You cannot tell me that these are press-ons. They are giving I just came from the nail salon. And I recorded this video over a week ago, and I still got these toenails on. Now let's get into the nails. So I'm sizing all my nails first, and of course I went for the one that got all the bling first. And I was gonna put it on my middle finger, but it's a little bit too tight on my middle finger, so the blingy one is going to be on my index finger. And then we have the pink French tip for our thumbs, and then we also have a yellow for our middle finger. And then I was gonna put the blue French tip flower one on my ring finger, but it was too small for my ring finger. It was fitting too tight. So I ended up going with another yellow French tip flower nail for my ring finger. And then I really wanted the pinky nails with the 3D nail art for my pinkies, but they were too small for my pinky fingers. So I ended up having to go with the blue French tip flower one for my pinky nails. So it's always good to kind of spread the nails out so you can choose your nail sizes a lot easier, and you'll be able to see what you're working with and see what fits your nails and what doesn't. And this is the set that I put together, and it is so cute, and I was super excited to apply these. So let's just get into it. So I am using the nail file that came with the nails for my fingernails. I'm just using it to remove that shine and oil and roughen up my nail surface, and that's how your nails look once you're done doing that. And then we're gonna spray them down with that alcohol and acetone mixture, and then you can wipe them down or you can just let them air dry. It dries really quickly, and that's pretty much all I do to prep my nails. And we are going to be using the brush on nail glue as well to apply our fingernails. This glue is some really good glue, and I think it's only like $1 and some change. But I don't actually use the brush to brush it on. I actually just dab it onto my nail because I want to create a nice thick layer of glue. I don't want a thin layer. I want it to be kind of thick because I want these nails to stick really good and last long. And I just line that press on nail up with my cuticle area first, and then I press down, and the glue will spread up to the tip of your natural nail, and then you just continue pressing and holding for 30 seconds. And I did have a little air bubble under that thumbnail. That is because I'm using my non-dominant hand. I am right-handed, so I always do my right hand first. Because imagine trying to apply nails with your non-dominant hand to your dominant hand while you have nails on your non-dominant hand. That's a little tough to do. So before I put the nails onto my left hand, I always get my right hand done first. And while I'm finishing up my nails, I just want to say, hey, new subscribers, I see y'all. Welcome to the Chalk Nation family. You all are so welcome here, and I'm so glad that you subscribed to my channel. So thank you so much for subscribing. We just hit over 2K subscribers not too long ago, so welcome, and I'm so glad that you guys are here. I hope you stay here because you are going to love it here. I got some stuff coming up, and we're gonna get back into the routine of our schedule of our weekly vlogs every Sunday, and I'm gonna try to squeeze an extra tutorial out for you guys. So I'm looking at doing 2 videos a week, one on Sunday and one on Wednesdays, and I'm gonna do a few YouTube shorts here and there in between. So y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned and got those notification bells on. If you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and give me a like and let me know how y'all feel about this video. Let me know what you guys think about the nail sets that I got. And this is pretty much how my nails and my toenails turned out. They look so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining the Chalk Nation, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.